welcome back to another video here at Monkey Tree.
Woo!
We've got some exciting news to show and share with you. Yes, we have, because developments are happening. Guess what? Shall I just take this one off? Yeah, it's better without the mask on. Hey everyone, welcome to Monkey Tree Holiday Park for another video for the YouTube page. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Today we're going to be showing you at the new pool complex, which I can now reveal the name is Palm Bay. So you can have a day in Palm Bay. So that's right, we're going to go and take a look at the new development happening, which is due to open in May 2021. Let's go. So once again, we are down here at Palm Bay. And of course, here at Monkey Tree, we love to recycle. And not only do we like to recycle, we also like to recycle our staff. Because guess who's back?
You need it here, guys.
It's you.
Dropping it. Oh, you're right, Liam.
It's Meg. That's right, she's back. She's gonna be back for 2021.
Whoa!
She's just got to finish building the pool.
Well,
so
can I come back to Ents?
yeah, you can, but can you hurry up? Because we need this done by May.
All right, okay, yeah, guys, we've got
thanks.
to hurry, man. I'm back, I'm back!
So once again, we are here at Palm Bay, here at Monkey Tree Holiday Park. I'm going to tell you a bit about what's happening. As you can see down here, we've got a splash zone, which is going to be here for the kids. It's got ride-on turtles, those mushrooms. It's going to be a very super cool place for your little kiddlywinks to hang out here. It's all about me. Pan that camera on me. Too close, too close, too close. So, not only have we got one beach area, which is down here. Oh no, 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 no. We don't do things by halves because we've only gone and got another one. That's right, 2 beach areas. Woo! 2 beach areas. It's super exciting. Just imagine the kids now. We've got the sunbeds around here. The kids are out there playing in the aqua splash zone, we call it. Who knows? Who knows?
Okay, guys, so now that you know that I'm back, I think you remember a couple of years ago, Liam pushed me in a pool, and I think it's safe to say there's enough space over here for me to get him back this year. Whoop whoop!
We're gonna go in and get a closer look at Palm Bay. Let's go. Here's one of our happy builders down there. Here he is, look. So we're gonna go and take a look at the splash beach zones. Let's go. Well, this is the life, isn't it? Look at this. This is gonna be amazing. That's right. Look, just turn the camera around and take a look at that view. Imagine lying here on your sunbed and you've got your aqua zone areas out there. Look, let's pan into these things here. So these things are super cool because they're gonna have ride-on turtles. We've got the mushrooms and that. Great place for kids to just hang out. So we are in one of 2 splash zones here at Monkey Tree Holiday Park. Look at the little splash areas here. We've got ride-on turtles, splashing out water, plus the mushroom thing. There's just so much to do here at Palm Bay. And if you remember that old pool with the one little square thing that we had, well, we've outgrown that. That's why we've now got this massive Palm Bay. We're still here. We're over here at Stubby Island. Here it is. That's right. We're at Stubby Island in the middle of Palm Bay swimming pool. Take a look around this way. Look, it's going to be epic. We've got sunbed area going out here, a new raised level area. So if you can see, it's 2-tiered up there. That's going to be another layer, another element up there as well for sunbathing, which is going to be over the back there as well. All lined with palms. We're looking at the new sun deck onto the club. So let's have a look. We'll go and have a look at this. A whole new sun deck area. We're going to have all lovely white slabs out here. It's going to be the ultimate sun deck area. And here he is again. Filling in these lovely beds that we've got here. Some nice palms that are going to be going in there.
Yeah, fine.
We're going to have about 20 million palm trees here. I exaggerate, 20 million. Here's the new tiles, look. These are going to be the new tiles for the new sun deck area out here. We're having all new furniture put out here. You can sit here, have a nice beverage in the afternoon. It's going to be awesome.
Liam, are you lounging again?
It's just going to be epic. The sun will be beaming down here. Look at that view. Look at the size of that swimming pool. It must be at least one of the biggest pools in Cornwall. And guess what? It's going to be ready for you guys at the end of May. Woo! Oh. Who's left these here? These shouldn't be here. Yeah, we'll just leave them. Guess what? We're on South Beach. Yes, we are. We're on the South Beach over this side. One of the 2 beaches that we've got here at Palm Bay. Funky, what are you doing? Yeah, you. This has to be open in May. Come on, crack-a-lacking. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on. Have you told them about the jacuzzi? Because I haven't told them about it yet. Have you told them? Where is it, Funky? No, it's not. It's over there. We are at the deep end of the pool. We can't go any further because they are currently screeding it, ready for the tiling, but we'll show you a little something. Over here, over there, that's right, here, a little added addition because we've got a jacuzzi. That's it, right, jacuzzi runs across the side there. How exciting! So that's right, exciting times. We've got just the tiling to go now next week and then just the landscaping. We're still on schedule for May, so it's exciting times, Funky, isn't it? Are you excited? I know. We've missed each other. Yes, we have. All right, too much monkey loving. All right, so from us, take care. We're going to see you soon. We'll see you in the next one. Once it's tiled, we're going to see you in the next one, all right? So don't forget to like, subscribe. See you soon from Monkey Tree. Goodbye.